In this video, my teammates and I are going to tell you about wind power. First of all, let me explain to you what is wind power. Let's go.
Alright, what is wind power? Wind power describes the process of creating electricity by using wind or air flows. Wind will provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn the electric generators and to create electricity. Wind turbines in this case are used to capture kinetic energy from the wind. Now let's take a look at the wind turbines. So these wind turbines, the wind will turn the wind turbines and the wind turbines will spin the generators inside it and next it will create electricity. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Alikam. I will show you 4 types of wind power. The first one is horizontal axis wind turbine. As you can see, the blade catch the wind and spin. It consists of a generator that converts mechanical energy into electricity. This is the example of how the horizontal turbine works. The second one is Darius vertical axis wind turbine. It consists of a spherical blade and have a power and control unit. Third one is Galvanius vertical axis wind turbine. This is how they work. And this is a little more detail about how they work. Lastly, we got 2 blades horizontal axis wind turbine. These are the components that were used in the turbine. That is all from me. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Cik Wang Aisyah binti Cik Ahmad Ruzi. I would like to explain 2 types of wind power. The first type of wind power is horizontal axis turbines. Have blades like airplane propellers, and they commonly have 3 blades each one. We have the largest horizontal axis turbines. Are tall, has 20-story building, and have blades more than 100 feet long. Taller turbines with longer blades generate more electricity. Nearly all of the wind turbines currently in use are horizontal axis turbines. Next, second type of wind power is vertical axis turbine. Vertical axis turbine has blades that are attached to the top and the bottom of vertical rotor. The most common types of vertical axis turbine the Pareus. So, some versions of the vertical turbines are 100 feet tall and 50 feet wide. Very few vertical axis wind turbines are in use today because they do not perform as well as horizontal axis turbines.
My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Abdul Wahid. I will show you the advantage of wind power. Wind power is renewable and sustainable. The wind is both a renewable and sustainable resource. Unlike reserve of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas, it will never run out. This makes wind turbines a viable option in helping to meet our future power demands. Secondly, it reduces fossil fuels consumption. Generating electricity from wind energy reduces the need for us to burn fossil fuels. This not only reduces carbon emissions but also helps to conserve wind-linked supplies of the Earth's natural resources. As a result, reserves of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas will last much longer. Third, wind power has low running costs. As it's free to use, its running costs are low. All utility companies need to do is purchase, install, and maintain their wind turbines. They can then benefit from a free source of energy instead of having to buy the fuel. 4. The power is free. Unlike non-renewable power sources, The wind is readily available and free for everyone to use. People use the wind each and every day for recreational purposes, such as sailing and windsurfing. Utility companies use it to power wind turbines, which are often installed as a part of onshore or offshore wind farms. Wind farms can feature hundreds of turbines and generate vast amounts of renewable electricity. Utility companies are able to sell this on to customers at a competitive price. 5. Both industrial and domestic wind turbines are available. Wind turbines aren't just limited to large wind farms. Smaller, less powerful turbines can be found in many places. They are a good fit for farms, factories, and a large private residence. Portable wind turbines are also available and can power small devices on the go. Lastly, wind technology becomes cheaper. The first ever wind turbine became operational in 1888. Since then, they have become more efficient and much more affordable. As a result of this, the wind power industry has boomed. Nowadays, wind farms and standalone turbines can be found in most countries. Government subsidies are also helping to reduce the cost of wind technologies. Lots of countries across the world provide initiatives for the construction of wind turbines.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zulfakar bin Yaakob. For this part, I will explain about disadvantage about wind power. First, the wind fluctuator. Wind energy is not constant, and even when it's sustainable and never will run out, but wind speed does change. This can cause serious problem for the efficiency of a wind turbine. And then, wind turbines are expensive. Engineers must carry out a site survey, and this may involve having to erect a research turbine to measure wind speed over a period of time. Furthermore, wind turbines are noisy. This turbine can be heard from hundreds of meters away, depending on the wind direction. Lastly, wind turbines create visual pollution. Although lots of people like the look of wind turbine, others don't, with many seeing them as a blot on the landscape. So, only that the disadvantage about wind turbine. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Rafi'i. My matrix number is B08191037 and I'm from BET S12. Today I want to tell you about the last part of this assignment that conclude all the points from this topic. Okay, let's see the conclusion of wind power. Conclusion of wind power energy. Looking at the topics, we have come to the conclusion that wind energy is probably the solution for our energy demands. It has great potential and is easy to manage. All you have to do is build the turbine and everything else is going to be free. With only one turbine, you can power over 200 homes. Every wind turbine lasts for about 20 to 25 years. As long as the wind blows, wind turbine can harness the wind to create power. Wind power only makes up a tiny percent of electricity that is produced. Unlike coal, wind turbines don't create greenhouse gases and are completely renewable source. Lastly, wind turbines can cause complaints and fatalities of wildlife. It could be the energy solution we have been.
So, let's look at the example of countries that implemented wind power. Germany. Germany has the highest installed wind capacity in Europe with 59.3 GW. Its largest offshore wind farms are the Gott wind farms, which have a combined capacity of 582 million watts. Germany is also home to the North Sea, one of the offshore wind farms, which has a capacity of 382 million watts and provides energy for 400,000 homes. Everything is bigger in Texas, even in the wind farms. Texas is known for producing oil, natural gas and coal, but it is also the biggest generator of wind power in Indonesia. For the first time this year in Texas, wind surpassed coal as an energy source. The Lone Star State produces 1/4 of all US electricity from wind. If Texas were a country, it would be a fifth in the world for wind power capacity. So, now let's look at the top 15 wind energy producing by the countries until 2018.